Hello everyone. Today we're going to be changing the filter off a fridge, the water filter and the ice filter. This will apply to fridges that are Kenmore and Maytags, and some GE products too will fit this. Basically, you're going to see the filter with this end on it, the circle end. Some of them will have like a nipple at the end of the end that protrudes. You're going to go with the one that's the round one. That will fit this these fridge. This one says Kenmore Maytag. We have a Whirlpool and it will fit. So as you can see, it says replace filter. So we are going to go ahead and replace the filter. So filter's location is right over here on the very top right corner. We're going to move this stuff to the side. I'm going to lift this up. There's a tab right here. You're going to push it towards you, and then the filter will fall, or the filter housing will come to the bottom. You're going to twist this counterclockwise, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and it will come out. A little bit of water will drip out. And this is the old filter. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open this new filter. From its seal. It has an installation date right there. We can write the date. Luckily the pack I got has stickers. This particular one I have just has the stickers, but I wrote 2020 so I would know. So we're going to take the seal off this, just like that. And now, same thing, except in reverse. Going to make sure it goes in. You'll feel it push in. Right there. That's it right there. You feel it push in, and then turn it clockwise till it stops, and then you'll shut it. Okay, I'm going to close the fridge. And now, the most important part is to flush it. So, I'll show you how we do that. Basically, initially the water's going to go slow. It's going to release all the gas out. It'll be black. Right there. That is from the new filter. But basically, we're flushing it out. Throw this away. I'm going to keep going. Right there. See, it's significantly clean, but I can still see some particles driving through. So I'm going to flush this out. Put it down the sink, and then we're going to keep going. I want to do this at least 7-8 times. This one still kind of cloudy. So we're going to put this on right. Okay. So, okay, so these figures can us 750 gallons or 6 months of average. So let's check that, so much cloudy. Basically, we're flushing the filter. Control is wet. It's a there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. There we go. Okay. That's nice. Okay. Just a 2 times. There we go. So 3. 2. And 1. And we are pretty much clear. Alright. Last but not least, we're going to reset the light. I'm going to hit Options, say Filter Reset. I'm going to select it. It'll say ask you to confirm. Hit Confirm. And bam, you are done. One last thing I forgot to mention. Sometimes you just want to check here to see if it's leaking. It's never happened, but it's a good idea. I think that's from the water we had previously. But that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Take care.